It's good to see you again at Richcoin. The United States government made a shocking statement about Shiba Inu coin. This is the Shiba news today. Shiba Inu prices have been very calm as of late, which is quite different from the wild swings of the past 2 days. Concerns about Binance's viability swept the cryptocurrency market on Monday, sending Shiba tumbling as low as the $0.0000Z400 inflation data that was lower than predicted on Tuesday, when investors were relieved that the Federal Reserve would not impose a sharp tightening of financial conditions in the near future. The value of cryptocurrencies increased alongside the market as a whole. As reported by Crypto News, this video will go over the shocking comments made by US authorities about Shiba Inu coin. This is the Shiba news today. If you want to see more videos like this one on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis, be sure to subscribe to our channel and give the video a big thumbs up. Now is the time to begin the video. SHIB had an 11% round trip from its low point on Monday to its peak point on Tuesday, which was in the $0.00000930 in dollars. Unfortunately, SHIB's technicals don't seem positive from now until the end of 2022, thus long-term price expectations remain grim. It is possible for Shiba Inu to hit the $0.00001 before losing one more number after the decimal point. In October of 2021, it used up one additional zero. More widespread market price activity between now and the end of 2022 would likely commence this type of increase. In 2022, if the market is optimistic, Shiba could eat an additional zero. The price movement of Shiba in October and early November is indicative of the fact that it has been the focus of much attention. Due to strong expectations for a rally, Shiba might see a little percentage increase next year. Shiba Inu prices in 2023 will be quite sensitive to how the market does in 2022. If the market shows signs of optimism in 2022, SHIB might perhaps benefit from momentum that carries over into 2023. Conversely, if the market for Shiba Inu is underwhelming in 2022, the breed might see a period of correction in 2023. The major coin Shiba Inu and its meteoric rise in value last year are well known to almost everyone, generating massive gains for its proprietors. With the introduction of Dogecoin, the first cryptocurrency featuring a dog motif, came SHIB, an Ethereum-based token. The firm was able to weather the market downturn thanks to its strong community. With over $500 trillion in circulation, SHIB has a market valuation of over $5 billion. But when it comes to the Bitcoin market, Shiba Inu are just like any other dog. Just because Shiba tokens operate with Ethereum networks doesn't mean people will automatically gravitate towards them. The fact that the price of Shiba has fallen 90% from its October 2021 high is not surprising, considering the cryptocurrency's lack of useful features and the general lack of enthusiasm among its users. Jumping in on the hope that prices would go up is more akin to gambling than real investing, despite how appealing it may be for some. If $589 trillion tokens were burned, the price of a Shiba Inu would be $0.10 this very day. The entire value of the 661 million Shiba tokens that were burned in November was around $6,000. A tiny drop of water, that is all. According to the Shiba Burn Twitter account, which is associated with a popular burn tracking website, the value of a Shiba Inu coin would not reach $0.10 at least 67,000 years have passed. More than 700% of the SHIB's burn rate has occurred in the last 24 hours. Once again, the famous meme coin Shiba has slipped out of the top 10 list of the largest Ethereum chain wallets, according to Shurn's website. The burn rate of Shiba Inu surged by a whopping 76% in the past day. What followed was the dispatch of 16,376 SHIBs to Inferno wallets. A total of 8,495,198 Shiba were consumed in the most extensive burn transaction. It was created using an FFDA EAAA address. It appears improbable that the entire amount burned this week would exceed 100 million meme coins, given the data that is available. The Shiba K9 cryptocurrency has disappeared from the top 10 assets held by the top 100 Ethereum whales in the past 24 hours, according to a wallet analytics tracker that compiles data about wallets across many major blockchains like Ethereum, Bitcoin, and others. Mana, STH, and INT are now among the whale's most valuable assets. This is the second occurrence this month of this kind. There are currently 35.59% Mana and 34.2% STH in their holdings. Still, SHIB is consistently seeing thousands of new members sign up. There was an increase of about 1,000 SHIB holders in the past day, between 1,265,003 and 1,266,39. Just like you said today, the number of SHIB holders likewise increased significantly in just one day earlier this week. Prices for SHIB have dropped to 0.00000000000616, a reduction of 3.37% from the previous day, as recorded by CoinMarketCap. There may be a drop in Shiba prices soon. If the present market circumstances persist and the bulls continue to show indications of impending collapse, the sweep the lows event is imminent. While the notorious meme coin fluctuates within a 10% range every week, the Shiba price remains in a state of continual consolidation. A bearish cross was formed on the daily chart on December 13th when the 21-day simple moving average crossed over the 8-day exponential moving average. Near the $0.0009.9, the bulls have encountered resistance. However, since the signal, Shiba has stayed underwater. Traders working on shorter time frames may refer to bearish crossings as death crosses due to the fact that they usually lead to sudden liquidations when the slower moving average crosses into the quicker one. At the moment, one Shiba Inu will set you back $0.000885. The second retest of the intersecting indicators is unnecessary if the market is indeed negative. A break below the December 13th low of $0.000861 won initiate a bearish rally with a target of the November swing low of $0.000817.7, a loss of 7%. Shiba is likely to hit new yearly lows in the coming weeks as long as bulls avoid the November low. Before considering aiming for higher goals, it is important to make a bullish effort at the December 13th swing high of $0.000932 too. It is possible that SHIB might reach a new high of $0.000155 November 10th if the bulls are able to convert the resistance into support. If all went according to plan, the Shiba's price would go up by 19%. On Wednesday, December 14th, Shiba Inu, the world's second largest meme coin, is back in the news. The SHIB price went up 7% and trading activity up 28%. The developer of Shibu, Shoshir Kusuma, updated his Twitter profile and this followed. Kusuma tweeted that his true love gave him on the very first day. The song The 12 Days of Christmas is basically this. After some initial decipherment, the SHIB's community has determined that Shrum will get a major update prior to Christmas. Users and developers can make good use of the existing Shibu blockchain infrastructure with the aid of the blockchain platform Shrum. Basically, it's a Layer 2 blockchain platform for Shiba Inus. With the help of Shrum, the Shibu ecosystem, which will encompass blockchain games, the metaverse, and more, will be able to expand. That was immediately taken up by Kusuma's followers, who took it as a sign that a major revelation was about to happen. A lot of people are wondering whether the Shiba Inus creators would come up with a better present for Christmas. As for Kusuma, she has chosen to keep quiet regarding the whole thing, so these theories on the evolution of Shrum are just that, conjectures at the moment. The present surge in SHIB prices is caused in part by the accumulation of whales. A staggering 1.92 trillion Shibu, or about $17.7 million, was accumulated by the Shiba whale, according to current Etherscan data. Industry players are continuing to develop goods and services centered around the SHIB cryptocurrency, even though its value declined significantly during the 2022 crypto winter. A collaboration between Binance Pay and Binance payment provider EasyPay has made Shiba Inu payments for phone bills available to SDC clients. On the flip side, Yid, a Web3 e-commerce site, recently announced that 15 million Shiba coins will be given out as prizes to those who attend an event celebrating the 2022 FIFA World Cup. Along with picking a favorite World Cup semi-finalist, commenters had to use the World Cup 2022 hashtag. Our time here today is up. To view our most recent videos, please subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up.